So grouping your layers in Illustrator really help you to expedite your process. And I'm going to teach you how you can group and ungroup the layers for faster editing purposes. So currently, I already grouped some of those, and there are some few elements as well that we need to group, and I'll show you how that works. So why this is super important. For example, I want these shoes to be changed to um, color yellow. So when you use the group, it's super easy for you to highlight it, this one, and change it to color, maybe color blue. So it's super easy to do that. Just, yeah, let me move that at the top. So it's super easy to do that in Illustrator if you group all of the layers, okay? So how we can group them? So you need to, let's say, I'm gonna group the hair part in here. So currently this is put on the body section. So in order for you to ungroup that, I'll just, maybe let's start with the t-shirt. So these are the t-shirt. This one, I'm deselecting it first before selecting it back. So this one, and then there's other thing as well. I think this part, yeah, this part, and then this part. So these are all our um, purple t-shirts. Okay, yeah. So how you can ungroup that, first is you need to click this part here, create new layer. It's on the top, so I'm gonna copy everything that are, I'm gonna select control for Windows or CMD for Mac. So let's highlight those layers that I deselected and then put it on the new layers that we created. So you need to put that inside your layers that you created, and let's call that t-shirt. Okay, and then I'm gonna make them everything visible. So currently, I mean, it looks so funny right now because we put the t-shirt at the top of the layer. So the process of Illustrator is really similar with Photoshop. So I'm gonna move that back there. So we already have that. Now, as you can see here, like the tablet is hiding. So we need to look the tablet again. So this is the main, um, this one is the skin. And for the body, I will make that, oh, I forgot to add this. So I'm going to put that under the t-shirt. And for the tablet, I believe this is a tablet. So this one and this one. Oh, this is the face. So this is the tablet. So I will, so they are already grouped, by the way. So I'll just need to put that at the top. So it should be above the t-shirt so it is visible. Tablet. So reason why I am grouping them, because it would be super easy for me to change everything. So as I said, if I highlight this t-shirt, this one, and change it to color blue, it's super easy for you to do it versus on making them ungroup. Now, if you want to ungroup them, you just simply need to put that at the at the parent. So you need to drag it outside your layer, for example. So I'm gonna ungroup the shoes. So if I drag that and put it at the top, you'll see that these two paths or these two shoes were detached in the layer 2. So that's just how you ungroup and group your layers in Photoshop. I really prefer to put that on a group. As I said, it's super easy for me to change the colors, and also if I convert this one into vectors, they will not mess up. So that's how it works, guys. I hope you find it valuable, and if you have any questions in Illustrator, comment down below. I'll try to create another tutorial. Have a great day.